nail day. Can't believe I just did that, but if it made you smile, then it was worth it. We are swapping out the old halogens that are clearly blown to new LEDs that I picked up. So I'll bring you in and we'll compare them. Okay, so let's open the box, see what's inside. These are the new LEDs. I'll add the specs on the screen so you can have a look. And then these are the old halogens, blown obviously. Very yellow light, didn't really actually give us much light. So hoping these give us a bit. So it took me a while to find the right size because the headlight is actually quite shallow where the bulbs fit. So I have to do a lot of measuring, trying to get the right one to fit down, and also depth-wise as well. So this way through the hole, and then depth-wise that way. So this is the best I can find with the most light output. Let's go throw them in. Okay, doing the best I can to actually set up my phone so we can record. This is the dust cover, and we just take that out. Just lining up that little tab there over here, so when I twist it back in, it just clamps down. So I'm just going to throw that in there, like that. So you can see that it's not very deep, the actual headlight. So we will do the second one as well. Again, just placing that tab in that groove. Now the fun part of working out how will these tabs line up again. Let's try that. Man. There we go. One. Put the dust cover back on. Look at that. There we go. Back to this guy. Same deal. Something like that. Dust cover back over. Alright, not bad. They're all tucked away now. Let's have a look. See the globe in there now. Pretty good. Lights look good, much brighter. I have to test these at night as well. I've closed the shed doors just to get an idea. There is a window to the left, but we'll just see what it looks like anyway. Oi, not bad. Bad at all. I have been using the tractor to slash paddocks quite a bit lately as we head into spring. So I did turn this down. It was pointed to the side and I was just copping diesel everywhere. So pointed it down. It's actually working really well. And it's obviously not pointing at the tyre, which is better. All right, so we are in the dark in the shed. Let's see how these lights look. Oi, that's pretty good. Step back a little bit. Yeah, it's not bad for two little bulbs. I think they're supposed to be like 1,000 lumen or something. We'll have to check the specs, but yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Nice and bright. Cool.